Hey everybody, Live Farmer 73 here. Today we're going to be talking about some of the advantages of having solar versus gasoline. Today I'm going to be using the EcoFlow Delta Max to show how quiet it is in a nighttime setting and why it's beneficial over gas at certain times. You cannot bring a gas generator inside and run it. Say you ain't in the most savory neighborhood, you cannot run your generator outside. It's going to attract attention. And you can't run it on the inside because that is lethal. This is one of the benefits of having a solar power generator. Check this out and tell me what you think. Okay, I'm going to show you this operating at night. Okay, right now we don't have anything running at all. See, I got my RV plug connected. Let's go into the RV. But I just shut everything down, so let's get back in here because it is dark and creepy out here.
I'll call back up.
This is the best part about the EcoFlow.
You should get going.
I'm able to chill and relax in the RV, watch TV, watch a DVD. Got my DVD player going, my refrigerator going, and it's whisper quiet. No gas generator running. That's one of the best parts about having solar. This is the readout of the EcoFlow that I have going right now. It's late. I just have a movie going. Got all the lights cut out because I don't need anything. I don't need to use the microwave or the stove or anything else. So this is telling me that I got 5.5 hours left. So right now it's like, let me see. I think it's almost 1 in the morning. That's plenty of time. I'm about to cut the TV off and go to bed. So let's just do that and see what happens when I cut everything off and get ready for bed. I can control everything from in here. My EcoFlow is under the RV. Quiet as a mouse. You can't hear anything. Let's just cut this off. Oh, slide the screen. Now watch the TV. Nighty night. That's it. And just to cut it back on, I don't even have to go outside or do anything. I can control everything from right here in my cabin. TV is coming back on. It's trying to reboot. But I need the good old remote. Oh, nope. It was ready to rock. So there you go. EcoFlow still winning. Let's get ready for bed. No more movie night. You can't beat that. Just listen. Nothing. If I cut my gas generator on, let's cut our gas generator on. Let's turn on the Honda and see if we can hear how loud it is. First, listen to this. Nothing. Let's go turn on the gas generator and see what it sounds like. All right, that's the sound of the gas generator running. It's not bad, but it's not quiet. On a beautiful night like tonight, that's just not what you want to listen to. Trying to get some sleep. So let's listen again what it sounds like when just the EcoFlow is running. Nothing. That's what I want to hear while I'm asleep and got my energy running. So I got a few fans and stuff running in here, but this is what I like to hear. Well, good night, everybody.